Welcome. This is the kitchen of the State Plaza Hotel in Washington, D.C. I will be shooting cherry blossoms tomorrow. So let's get our film out of the fridge. Here's the deal with film, how you want to store it real quick. Gonna shoot it soon? Let's put it in the fridge. You're gonna shoot it not soon? Let's put it in the freezer. And today, we're gonna load up this Rolleicord 5A with some expired Portra 400. All right, first major thing. You see there's already a roll up on the top here. Most of the times when you get one of these used cameras, it will have one in here. But you actually need two rolls, one with film and one without, to shoot. So if you did not have this, you would need to procure it. If your film is in a freezer, you want to make sure that you take it out, let it defrost a little bit. Since this was in the fridge, we're good. And tear off the opening. Just discard. You got this little lip here down on the bottom. So you got this tab that's spring loaded, this tab that's not. This locked in here. Pull out the spring loaded tab, get that locked in. Now the idea is you want to keep pressure and tension on this roll. So you think I'm using my thumb here. And then we're going to insert into the top here. There's no guides to keep this. So we're going to keep our thumb down here for tension, and we're just going to start rolling. And you want to keep this square as possible. You're providing a little bit of resistance by pressing your thumb here. Okay, see this line coming up? This is important. See these two red dots? That line and those red dots need to line up. So again, we're keeping tension. We got the red dots and the line lined up. And you see you got your counter on the side here. You're just going to start rolling. With these Rolleicords, the nice thing is that it's going to automatically lock when we get to one. Some do not. There we go. One. And that is how you load a vintage Rolleicord.